good. If you guys have not seen this movie, what are you doing? Get to it.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simonalisa.
Hey angels, we're gonna go thrifting today. I'm so excited because I haven't been thrifting in like maybe 2 weeks, which is just insane. But you know, it's the holidays, so I've been with my family. I also had markets, so at one point I like had to stop thrifting because I had thrifted so much. But we are so back. I'm so excited. The only thing I'm so disappointed in is it's Boxing Day and there's no discounts at Value Village. Not that I know of yet, but I didn't get anything in my emails, so that is so sucky. Let's get dressed. Guys, what's going on? I look like, this just looks so dumb. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. Like, this is atrocious. Let's find a different outfit right now. What did you just say? Why not? This girl's trying to steal my whole closet. Anyways, so this is probably outfit number 7 that I've tried on. I think this is what we're going with. I mean, it's comfy, so. This is bad, guys. I don't want to wear this either. I feel like at this point, when you've tried on like 7 outfits, no outfit works. I ended up filming nothing at the thrift store. A lot of the times I forget to. So, whatever. Like, what's the point of me filming anyways? Like, looking through racks. So, honestly, this wasn't, like, an amazing thrift haul, but it was okay. There were a lot of sections I didn't end up going into. So, let's just start. First thing, I don't know if it's the first thing I picked up, but whatever. First thing I'm going to show you guys is this Express little zip up. It's nice and fitted. I really like fitted sweaters, and I like this crown situation. It's kind of like snowflake queen vibes. I don't know. I think that's pretty cute. Next, you guys, this is pretty much like an on-screen Megan Fox and Jennifer's Body situation. So let me tell you guys, you see this print here? I spotted, I was like, oh my god, am I finally gonna get the sweater she wears when she's walking in the hallway when she gives no while everyone is dropping dead. So the thing is, I have the exact sweater she wears, but in a different color. So you know how she has like the heart pattern, so it's like literally like this color. I have it where the sweaters, I'm looking at it now, it's on my rack. I have it where the sweater's blue and the hearts are pink, but it's the exact same thing, you guys. So what they dress her in, that whole movie probably is kids' clothes. But I know for a fact that this little sweater she wears, it's literally a Gap Kids sweater that they put on her. So yeah, I have that one in a different color. And now I have this one, which the interior of the hood is what she wears, but the outside is just like pink. But it's so cute, you know what I mean? I have to get it. Then this shirt is, oh my god, it's adorable. It says, "My dog for president." I don't have a dog, I have a cat, but whatever. It's like the same thing. I think this is so cute. This was from the kids section. There's no brand on it, I don't think. Let me check the inside of the shirt. There's no brand on here. I wanted to like let you guys know in case someone wanted to shop this, but I don't know. There's no brand name in the tags. It's just like, it's for a 14-year-old, made in USA. Yeah, nothing. I mean, if anyone knows the brand just by looking at it, I don't know. It's probably a random one. Also, a lot of this is from the kids section. Like, the rest of the clothing items was from the kids section. I didn't look through all the jeans, which I probably should have. I usually get lucky there, but I have enough jeans. I really need more tops. Let me tell you guys, though, they have, like, no camis right now. I don't know if it's just, you know, Value Village in Canada being, like, it's cold, but I like layering my camis, so give me camis. It's this little like quarter sleeve v-neck. The color is pink. I don't know if it's coming off pink on camera. I think it is coming off pink, but in case. This was also a kid's item, and then I found this little Abercrombie white button situation, and the buttons are so cute. I love that they're little sparkly little rhinestone diamonds. What am I saying? Little rhinestone buttons. So yeah, this I tried on and it looks so good. And then this shirt, I think I'm gonna upcycle a little bit. Like, I'm not gonna do too much to it, but I love the little kissies. Are you kidding me? The little kissy lips. Like, anytime I see lips, I love it. Just like, it reminds me of Bratz. I'm a Bratz girl forever. So anyways, what I think I might do is cut the top to make it a little bit of an off the shoulder situation, but the shirt's like pretty fitted. It's just the neckline bothers me because it's kind of like, it's such a boring neckline that's almost like high. So we'll see. That might be its own separate video where I put like little upcycling projects in one video that I do. But then my sister found this. She found John Tucker Must Go Away. I love this movie so much. Okay, you guys, I'm the biggest Brooke Davis stan. If anyone watches One Tree Hill, that's one of my favorite shows. Brooke Davis is literally like my queen. Like, I literally am her, or I want to be her. But I love this movie, and are you kidding me? There's just so many icons in here. Like, this movie's so good, and I'm so happy to finally have this on DVD because this is like a rewatch. Like, you need to rewatch this every year. It's so good. If you guys have not seen this movie, what are you doing? Get to it. It's so good. It's like all these girls going against this one puny, crusty, not good looking guy that thinks he's all that, and it's just so good. And then I got this little pouch. This I was actually most excited about, so I don't know why it's the last item I'm showing. I guess best for last. But when I saw this, I actually squealed. I was like, because are you kidding me? Zero print Betsey Johnson with some little cherries, and I love pouch bags, like little pouches like these. Like, I need them all the time for everything. I have so many, and they're all full of stuff. Like, I have a little emergency kit I put in my purses. I use one for my makeup, but that one's on the verge of exploding. And I have other kits that are like double emergency bags with like everything I need on the go, and I just have so many. Like, what else do I put in these? Like, I will like categorize things and like put them in pouches. So I'm really happy I found one, especially this. Like, if I had to design a pouch, this is what I would want it to look like. I'm calling it a pouch, but it's like a little big. Like, it's a little baggy, a little, I don't know. And then it has a pocket in the back, which I actually didn't realize until now. But this inside. But yeah, this is so cute. Are you kidding me? Little Betseyville moment. Ooh, I thought I was done. I'm not done. This bag. Let me tell you guys, when I walked into the store, and tell me why, I actually had a nightmare a few nights ago. My dream was that I went to the thrift store and I saw like 5 girls that were so gorgeous and cool, like that had cool outfits on, and they were pulling up like what they had just, or what they were about to buy. I think they were like about to check out, and they're like pulling up their items, and it's like the cutest things, and I'm like, oh my god, like I just got to the thrift store and they're leaving with all the good stuff. Really worst nightmare. And I haven't had that like happen to me. I haven't even, like, I'll see a cool person, but at that point I had been shopping. I don't know. So it's like, I know I found my stuff or whatever. But anyways, and then today what happened? It was not like the dream, thank god. I don't think that could happen in my city. But usually when I go thrifting, it's just like elder people that have different styles compared to me. But anyways, I walk in there, I see this girl like looking at this bag. I'm like, put that down, put that down. She put it down within like 10 seconds. So she's mine, and I'm so happy. I literally love anything like plaid. Oh, this is just so beautiful. Look at how it looks on. And it's like a denier one, so it's to be good quality, hopefully. But the interior is like a little burgundy purplish color. I just love this so much. And the color on the outside, I don't know if it's different on camera, but it's kind of like a reddish burgundy, kind of similar to the inside. And it's just so beautiful. This might be the new go-to bag. Because you guys, I've been like wanting a new bag. I have so many, but I think I need one that I can like wear every day, kind of. Because, not that I don't have bags that are wearable for every day, but I was feeling a little bit like I haven't bought a bag in a sec. Even though I probably bought a purse like a month ago. But it was just like, I was looking at my purses. I was feeling a little bit like bored looking at them. I was like, no, I need something new. And also, I wear like a new purse every single day, so I like change my purse out, and I have to like take stuff out of my purse when I come home at the end of the day. And I kind of just want to go back to the simple life of having all your shit in your purse and not having to like take it out. Like, you leave it there, you put whatever you need in here, and then when I come home I put it wherever, and then the next day it's like everything I need is in here. I don't have to unpack and pack. So the only thing that I have with this bag, wait a minute, why is this shape, did I just do something? Why is this going out? Did I mess up the bag? Was it like that and I didn't realize? Okay, I think I opened it on this side, so I just like closed it back up again. The only thing is it looks a little bit hard to put like keychains on this. So like I could put some on here, and I could like put, but my thing is like I like having bags that have a lot of like pockets and like hardware, but I mean this one I can make an exception because the pattern is just so nice. We'll see if I'm actually as in love with this bag a week from now. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna have to like spice it up a little bit, but I don't know. If you guys have ideas, let me know. But I just think if I put a little charm here, it's just gonna like, and then when I like put the bag down, and then it like, you know what I mean, and then the charm is gonna go all the way down, and then that's gonna bug me, and that's gonna go the other way. That just sounds like a hassle. Oh, there's 2 zippers, so more space for charms. Yeah, I don't really know if I could do anything on the actual straps. So you guys let me know. Let me know what your favorite, oh, a charm just fell out of somewhere. I also got like a jewelry, like I got like a little pin thing, but whatever, that's all away. So I'm not gonna go find that right now. But let me know what your guys' favorite thing I thrifted is. But then if no one says anything in the comments, it's like, if you would like to, you can let me know in the comments what your favorite item is. I think mine's got to be this. So I'm so happy I got her though, to add to my collection. But yeah, that was like a little haul, a little mini haul. I kind of want to go again tomorrow, but I shouldn't. And they don't even have discounts right now, so why would I? I think I'll wait for their discount emails to come out for whatever's left of the month, if they'll have any. The discounts are bad, guys. Like, I miss when the discounts were good and the prices were good. And I know we all do. It's such a problem. Their pricing is like, they need to calm down. They need to calm down! Anyways, I'm sorry I didn't bring you guys shopping with me at the thrift store. I will try to do that in my next video, because like maybe that could help with like show you guys what sections I like to go to, and like I don't know if you guys want some like inspo on how I find good stuff at the thrift store. It would probably be helpful for me to bring you guys in the store with me, but I'll try to remember to do that next time. Oh my god, Tata, that's so scary. I can see you. Okay, let's go eat. It's dinner time, angels. Goodbye, and make sure you leave some glitter everywhere you go.